Hello everyone, my name is Mario. On this video I'm going to show you how to create a crescent that looks just like this one below. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you want to open your Visual Studio Code. Once you do that, go ahead and create an index file, so index.html. Alright, and then to start you're going to do doc, document, press the tab key, and I get this right here. We're going to create this using CSS, so we're going to go to the heading over here and we're going to type style, open the tag and close the tag. We're also going to create a div here, so we're going to go and just type div, and we're going to create a class. I'm going to name the center. I'm going to close the tag. Now you're ready to put your CSS. Let's call the we created an ID, so we're gonna go ahead and get call it by using .center, open brackets, close brackets, and now we can do the coding. So we're gonna do position, absolute, always put a semicolon at the end, margin, auto, top. This is like a pad, like your PS4 controller or PS5. Top, right, bottom, 0, and then left, 0. Okay, so far so good. And we're gonna do the width, 100 pixels. And the height, 100 pixels. And let's do background color. Let's do transparent. Okay, and then let's do border radius. Border radius, let's do 50%. Okay, and let's do box shadow. You do have to create the 4 margins here, so let's do 25. Let's do 10 here, 10 pixels, and let's do 0 from bottom and 0 from left, and that should do it. Go ahead and save it. Div class center, yeah, looks good. Let me go ahead and run it, and there's my crescent. Now if I want to change the color, let me show you this quickly here. Okay, so let's say you want us to do yellow. And you can save this one and then do a refresh. Hey, now we have a yellow one. Now if you want to change this to blue, refresh, there it is. If you want the background to be dark, you can go to body here and create a background that is, so the background color, and you can do, let's do black here, let's see, and we can make this one white this time. That's a quarter moon, right? So a crescent. So this can do white this time. And there it is. And if you want a full moon, you can just change this one to 25 pixels. You can change it to 100. And there it is, right? Or you want half a moon, you can do 50. pixels. Yep. Right, but we want quarter moon or a crescent, so let's do 25. And then we're gonna put right here let's do an H1 here. Because the letters are dark, it doesn't show. Let's do style equals color. Let's do white. And we're gonna put we are done. Save it and let's see. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.